Hey there folks, Will here over to XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So I haven't been posting much lately. I've just been a bit busy traveling and chilling out. So if you're a member of the Facebook group, you would know that I was releasing, or there was programming from a load of other indicators that I have. Indicator that actually draws our zones for us, our price zones, and it gives us signals in price zone areas. So this video here is just going to be a brief demonstration of the indicator, how it works, and what you actually get with the indicator when you actually access it. So see, I've got the indicator loaded up here. We're calling it. My mouse is not working here for some reason. And there, it's working now. Good. Okay, so we're calling it the FXS Price Pro. Okay, this is the indicator. So if you're aware of the Day Trader X system, it is this signal indicator for it, plus I've been able, from a few other indicators that I have in my arsenal, I've been able to recode it all together and put it on one great indicator. So this one automatically draws the price zones for us, and what we do, you can see it just loads up there, and you can see draws our zones for us. You can see in the daily chart here where price is targeting. Price is going to be targeting this area here. This is the next strongest untested price zone in the red, so price is easily targeting there. And if you've been following my videos on the EURUSD, this is why I am liking it to come up to here on the higher time frames from more or less this weekly zone here. Nearly hit. Just missed it out. Sometimes you will miss it by a few pips, but 60 pips on a weekly chart's not too much, and you can see huge drop into it there. So liking this EURUSD coming up to 119,500, and you can see the indicator actually draws these zones for us. Going down into smaller time frames, you can see as price is making new highs, it creates new zones here. This area caused this high, creates a zone, comes down, test it to create a new high, like this one. We're here, price comes up, creates a new zone, creates a new low, and takes out this uptrend here, creates a new low, automatically draws our zone, comes up and tests it. What we like to do is look for sell signals up here for day trading on divergence coming into trading zones like this happening on the 15-minute charts. We're in a 30-minute, or it's actually an 1 hour zone. We're getting lots of divergence signals. This could be a really nice trade, and what we'll target is this. Well, that's a huge zone there, so you probably zoom in, and you probably target down here around 50 pips, and that would be a good buy area to get back in with this move up towards 119. What we do is we wait for signals to happen. One trade that happened this morning was the Euro JPY that I took, and you can see it was a day trade approaching the daily zone. This here was an hourly zone that broke the trend. It created it, comes back up and tests it, and 15-minute charts here we sold with the arrows. Lots of arrows there. The arrow told us to get in here, and you can see more or less the first easy targets down towards here, which it more or less hit, and I got out. So it's a pretty powerful indicator. Draws everything for us. Every single chart, everything's drawn for us. USD JPY. See where quite easy where it's looking to target down on the higher time frames. Down towards 95,677 is the start of this leg, and where the price took off from before. Stay down here. Well, nice target on it. So with the indicator, what we also get is the signal scanner. Okay, so I think the signal scanner is on the other platform. Same in a sell trade on the euro, on the British pound JP, British pound USD. So the signal scanner is, I think it's loaded up on this chart. What chart's it on? Could be on the euro. No. Anyhow, the signal scanner is, where is it? FX is signal scanner. Okay. So it's the same indicator, but what happens is it's programmed to give you signals across all currency pairs, or any asset you'll put in here, where it says symbol list. You can decide which time frames you want. If you're scalping, you can have it signals only off the 5-minute and 1 minute. Day trading, you really want signals off 1 hour and below, maybe from 5 minutes up to 1 hour, and going off 4-hour and daily zones. And down below, just like I said, if you're going smaller, the 1 hour, 4 hour. So that's included in this, with the indicator. So you get 2 indicators. One is a signal scanner. It basically does, so you don't have to keep on flicking through different time frames, etc. You just load it onto one chart, put in the assets, and simply wait for a signal. Is it coming into a trading zone that the indicator's drawn for us? Here, is it coming into the trading zone? If it is, take the signal. If it's not, don't bother. Take profit and stop losses. So stop loss would be above the zone, well, just above it, or a high, the last high above it. So say you had this zone here, so just say about up there. And target is the opposing zone. So if we're going to buy this at this 4-hour zone here on the USD Swiss franc, we'd buy it here and we'd target up here. So pretty simple. It's a pretty powerful indicator guide. It takes 2 pretty powerful indicators, folks. It takes all the work away from us. All we have to do is basically observe and wait for signals. Okay, so hope this video helps. To access the indicators, simply click the link below. If you have any questions, get in contact with me at will@xauus.com. I'm looking forward to hearing your success stories on becoming successful Forex traders. So speak to you soon. Access the indicator by clicking the link below. And yeah, I'll see you soon, guys. Happy trading.